You're going to be a drummer. Tigger would be great, yes. Do you want to give him Tigger?
No, I'm finding Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, okay. Maybe he's not there. Oh, well done, Chloe. Oh, look. He's got Pooh. Oh, I think he's got everything he can need. He can want.
Daddy,
Yes.
what can I get him?
How about you get him...
Winnie the Pooh.
Can we get him Oso?
No, Daddy. I'm going to get him.
Okay.
I'm going to get him, Daddy.
Okay. Are you putting on some lipstick? What's Lily doing? He's having a right old tussle with that thing, isn't he? Whey!
Down from there, Chloe.